Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Faith. Today we are going to talk about vocabularies pertaining to social media, specifically YouTube. Not too long ago, I created an Instagram account for this channel. A young lady who subscribed to Learn Haitian Creole with Faith sent us this DM.
Hi Faye, my name is Susie. I scoured the internet for the word thumbnail in Haitian Creole. I came out empty-handed. Can you help?
So this gave me an idea. I need to create a lesson where I teach people how to say thumbnail in Haitian Creole. Dear Susie, the way you say thumbnail in Haitian Creole is vignèt. Vignèt. Télécharger yon vignette sur YouTube. Upload a YouTube thumbnail. Télécharger yon vignette sur YouTube. Upload a YouTube thumbnail. This may be obvious to a lot of people, but I have learned not to assume. You may or may not know how to say channel in Haitian Creole, so I'm going to teach it to you. The way you say channel in Haitian Creole is Chanel. Abonné sur channel là. Subscribe to our channel. Well, I'm serious. Go subscribe to our channel. If you would like to say share our videos, you can say partager vidéo yo. In Haitian Creole, the way to say share is partager. Partager, share. Cool? I figured that you may be looking for the word like. Like doesn't translate in Haitian Creole. If you want to say to people like my channel, you can say ban mwen yon like. Ban mwen yon like. Like my channel, ban mwen yon like. So like doesn't translate. So the way to say subscribe in Haitian Creole is abonné. Or if you want to say subscribe to my channel, you can say abonné à channel là. Subscribe to my channel. Abonné à channel là. Therefore, like, share, and subscribe is like, partager, abonné. So we tweak it a bit. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, partager, et abonné. I figured if you're on the internet, chances are you will have haters. So the way you say haters in Haitian Creole is raïzan. Raïzan. Haters. Pas occupé yo. You say raïzan. Pay attention to them, they are haters. Let's recap. We learned about thumbnail, which is vignette. Like doesn't change, like stay like. Abonné means to subscribe. Partager means to share. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, abonné, partager. You also learned how to say haters in Haitian Creole, which is raïzan. Raïzan. Haters. If you would like to learn other words such as, let's say, clickbait or meme in Haitian Creole, let me know in the comment box below. So if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe and tell us what you think, what you want to learn. Until next time, goodbye.